Hello guys, today with the help of Nuno Maduro, I want to suggest the easiest way for you to start automated tests in your Laravel project. So Nuno recently tweeted, if you have 0 tests, you can start with just testing that pages, return OK. His example is with Pest, but pretty sure you can do similar thing in PHP unit. Basically, for each of those pages, it gets the URL and checks if it's OK. And I thought to go one step deeper. What if we can populate that array automatically and write one test that would test all our GET requests in our project if they are OK? So here's what myself and my teammates came up with. Here's the routes test. Test, let's call it stability, same this GET with data. That data is a function of Pest called data sets. So you can, I'll zoom it in, you can define some kind of data set like array, and Pest will repeat the same test on that array. For example, you create a file of datasets emails and then provide with emails here. So this is exactly what we did. Provided dataset routes, and I'll explain that part in a minute. But what you need to understand is that it goes through all the routes and checks them. And if we launch that, PHP artisan test, the result is stability with all those URLs. So tasks, post, register, login, and forgot password. This is a small demo project based on Breeze from what I remember. So the routes look like this. Let's close the terminal. A few get routes, a few routes by middleware. That's the part that we cannot easily test. So from all the routes, just check the public ones. In our case, these are public ones. This is the public. And auth are public, register, login, and forgot password. And this is exactly what that data set is filtering. And this is kind of a collection magic. So did you know that you have route, get routes? You can get all the routes. But for that to perform in tests, in Pest specifically, we needed another package. So there's a plugin on top of Pest by Luke Downing, Pest plugin Larastrap, to access the routes in the tests or to access the config or other helpers. This plugin makes it available. You can read more about that. I will link that in the description below. So we had to install that plugin to make this work. So we get all the routes, and then with collection we filter. If it's a GET request, cool, we're leaving it. Rejecting if it's auth, and there are also functions like route methods, route gather middleware. Routing system is pretty deep in Laravel, so you can check out all those methods as well. So we're leaving get, rejecting auth, and rejecting a few like Sanctum, Ignition, and APIs. And then we map through those and get the URL, URI of each of the routes. Then we transform that into array, which is automatically passed to the Pest like this. So for example, if somewhere I fail, public function index, for example, let's throw an exception, or abort, just abort 403 forbidden or something, and let's relaunch our test, PHP artisan test, and there should be one failure. Yes, so one failed. Let's bring it up. Expected response status code is 200, which is okay, but received 403. So if any of your public routes or whatever routes you provide in that data set, if they fail, then you will get an error. So that could be an easy first step for automated testing for those of you who have 0 tests in your project. What do you think about that? Have you done something like that? It's also, in other words, it's called smoke testing. Maybe you have other tips for such smoke testing. Shoot in the comments below. And if you haven't started any testing at all and you want to get familiar with that, I have 2 courses. First, I have Laravel testing for beginners, which includes Pest, by the way. And also, if you have started but without too much practice, there's advanced Laravel testing with a lot of practice and with things like faking external APIs. Those tests are part of Laravel Daily.com membership, so subscribe to yearly or monthly membership to get those and more. And see you guys in other videos.